Hello, my name is Tim Cummersdale and today I'm going to explain pull to force and pull to stroke settings with our brand new battery rivet nut tool, the NB08PT-18. In this tutorial I'm going to explain pull to stroke and when to use it effectively and what to look out for in the case of a not okay placing. In this example I'm going to use Eurocert, which has a high torque to turn resistance in softer materials such as aluminium. To start the tool, you press the trigger to load the home screen. To set the tool up to pull to stroke, go to the menu options, control menu, where you can select either pull to force or pull to stroke. In this example today, I know the application in this case requires a stroke of 3mm. While 3mm is a round number, this is a case of knowing the requirements of your application. You will need to tune to suit your application. So we go to the Rivet setting menu where we have the option to change the stroke on the tool. Currently it's set at 2.5mm. To change, select the padlock, enter your password, enter, and from here you can increase or decrease the stroke as necessary. So I will set the tool to 3mm. Press the padlock, return to home. So now we need to place the application. So fastener, always to tool first, never to application first. I do this by pushing the fastener onto the drive screw. That is ready to place now. So now we'll place the fastener into the application. As we can see, here is an example of a good placing. The fastener has bulbed correctly on the blind side of the application. On the front side of the application, we can see the fastener has been set correctly into our representative example. Now I'm going to show you an example of not okay placement of the fastener in application. For this example, I'm going to set the tool to 1mm. We first need to go to the Rivet setting menu. From here, unlock the tool, enter my password, and enter. Use the up and down arrows to reduce or increase the stroke as necessary. So here I'm going to decrease to 1mm. Once OK, press the padlock, sets the stroke, and then return to home. To trial the new stroke, first we need to set the fastener to the tool. Now we can see the fastener has not set up correctly into the application. We can see this because the bulb on the blind side of the application has not deformed correctly, and the fastener in extreme cases can spin in the hole. This is another way to identify in the production line whether the fastener has been placed correctly or not. This is to support quality control through visual inspection. Please note, the tool can be set to pull to force and pull to stroke. While it is best practice to use one setting or the other, enabling both actuations can mean the tool will pull to either force or stroke setting, whichever comes first. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. For more information, you can contact our experts at stanleyengineeredfastening.com.